been a long time since I made a video. It's kind of because I had a few things going on. You can tell a little bit different of a place. We moved houses. There's a Cutlass here. The View is here. The blue car is here. Well, I finally got the car running and driving pretty good. I also got half of the exhaust put on. Give her a little start up here. It's not going to be the best startup, but try to get something here. Excuse the traffic, I now live on a really busy street. Won't fire up the first time because I got some pretty bad fuel in it, but hard to start because I got a little bit of diesel in the fuel. Trying to burn off some fuel at work and we got nowhere to put it, so I put a little bit in the car and now it's a little hard to start, but it runs good after you finally get it mixing. But we have down pipes from a 442-87 back to just in front of the axles right now with some Flowmasters. Runs pretty well now. Once it warms up, runs even better. I'm probably just gonna cut out the headliner for now till we can change something else. So I didn't get to clean it up at all yet. I haven't really been driving it long enough. I just got the exhaust on yesterday, so now I'm gonna try and drive it around a bit and see what else I need to do to it. It's not pretty under here, still need to clean it up. Still have to add stuff. Gotta get a cruise control so the speedometer works. Gotta pull the valve covers back off. I got to reseal around it. I got the brand new gasket on there, but they're not perfectly flat, so we're gonna silicone the heck out of them. This is just so hood doesn't ground out. This is actually a Ford battery. Go figure, right? I don't own any Fords. Oh well, it's sitting here, bird pooped on it. Looking good. I'm excited for this car. Probably go take it for a little bit of a ride. And I'll show off my other projects that I got going on still. I haven't done much with the other stuff, but I'll elaborate more on them when we get to them. I guess I forgot about the blue car. We also did a little bit more to the blue car. We've been playing it. The insert's trying to rip through the window. Screws are popping out. This was all sunk in, but you can tell it's not actually in the board anymore, except for that one is. See if I can unlock it on this side. Yes. All right. Finally have two speakers after a buttload of stuff going on. Finally have that. Is this full? Leaving garbage in here, make it look ugly. I gotta do carpet in this, paint the wall, re-secure it to the roof because it's got a little bit of flex to it. Secure that, touch up everything, I don't know, make it look nicer, and then touch up the back. So the back looks the same. I can't remember if I got it on video, but I have a Taramp 3K and a JL 5 channel for the front speakers. We're going to be making new door panels. I'm gonna try and keep the white portion up top, and we're gonna do a bottom portion with about 8 speakers in each door, or 4 speakers in each door. There are gonna be some heavy doors for this, but we got the FI, was it IB18s, IB318s, that's what they are. And I got one with the white sticker and one with the blue sticker, and they bang pretty hard. I'll get a video on this thing another day, but for right now it's just multiple vehicle update. Come on, Nibus. He loves lurking in cars and stuff. He gets locked in sometimes. For more update videos like this one that I am made, if you head over to my Patreon, you'll be able to see all the behind the scenes stuff and bonus content of like whatever doesn't make it to YouTube or TikTok. The link will be in description and right here, and it'd be patreon.com/blankrabba, and with that you will be able to get early access videos, bonus content, and for the next tier you will be getting your names recognized in my videos. So if that intrigues you to help support the channel in growing and doing more stuff, be awesome for you to be one of my patrons. So yeah, I don't know, I'm new to this stuff. I'm still getting into it, trying to better myself with every video that I do. I'm just going through all my old content now, and that's where this came from. Hopefully gonna get through it. Maybe there's something interesting that comes out of it. There are some new videos coming out that I just recorded last week and going to be recording next week and all that stuff. Waiting for parts to come in for other cars. I didn't get a full update, as you can tell. I don't know what happened with that. This video is like from the beginning of, or the end of winter, beginning of spring, and it's already summer, almost. So I'm getting through it.